2019 up until 22, where a lot of the transactions are moved from primary residence to primary residence. And you get that in conversation. But now there is a shocking amount that I see of people that they're combining households, or they're selling a home and they're renting now. Shocking amount. And also our business to business transactions, like our business clientele that will rent a storage unit for warehousing or whatever they need it for, has picked up.
The conversation of how storage as an asset class does so well in every type of cycle. So like we've been serving that happy customer, right? They just sold their house for more than they ever thought possible. Now they have not had the thought process about how they're going to replace their house at all. Not these happy people. They're just ecstatic, right? Because they've sold that house for more than it was worth. And now, to Matthew's point, we're getting that, we're on the brink, I feel like, of the not so happy customer. Like they're being forced financially to make some decisions. And so but we're a cement slab with a roll-up door. We do nothing to change, accommodate in either one of those customers, right? We may just tweak our rate. But I'm seeing the same thing as Matthew, but it's not to the extent that the downturn of that whole 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, did. We got distressed customers at that point. I feel like we still do have some blended customer base in there, just as far as not completely all not happy customers. But we're definitely trending that way. And I guess the other part of the customer base that I would say is, and for every perspective, I think we've had a year of wait and see, right? I mean, let's wait and see who wins the election. Let's wait and see. And so I'm like here to see.
I'm ready to see what we've been waiting on.
Yeah, I know. We're the wait part. We're over.
Yes, I am like, let's get on with it. Whatever it is we're gonna do, let's be doing it and be about it.